Hello everybody, it's Crafty Rhea, and I have a surprise to unveil to you today. I am very excited about this. It's something I've been thinking about and working on for quite some time, and here we go. Ready? Patreon! I have set up my own Patreon page, and I want to explain to you what it is, why I did it, and the benefits that you can receive on Patreon. First of all, it will not change anything about my videos here. My videos on YouTube will still post like they do, and there is no change as far as that is concerned. My Facebook community, Create with Crafty Rhea, will stay the same. We're going to have a blast. So you do not have to join the Patreon or do anything to get the same benefits you're getting from me. I enjoy doing these videos. I enjoy making the crafts, making things inexpensive for you, like the Elmer's glue and things like that. I love the recycling and all of that good stuff. Encouraging you to use the items you already have, all of that stuff. I love that, and that is going to continue. That is not going to change. If anything, this is going to encourage me to do even more of that. What Patreon is, in case you are not familiar with it, it is a kind of like a blog where you would pay a small membership fee to get some certain benefits like early access to my videos, things like that. And like I said, it's optional. It's not going to change my YouTube. But anything that I make from Patreon, I will always put back into my channel with either better equipment or more craft supplies, things like that, to make it a better experience for you. So this is Patreon, and I will show you my link. On Patreon, I am Crafty Rhea, and my email address or my Patreon web address is patreon.com/CraftyRhea. You can head on over there and check it out and see what it's all about, but I'll explain the levels to you to let you know more about them. My first level is just a regular member. It's $2 a month, and it gives you early access to all of my videos and card sketches. I will post them there before they come out on YouTube. And it will also give you Patreon only content. I will be doing some behind the scenes and some fun things on Patreon that I would not do on YouTube. Like I said, it won't take away from YouTube, it's in addition to. So you might want to consider that if you love all of the goodies and you want to see it first and get a head start. So that's the regular member tier. And tier 2 is the plus member. It's $5 a month. It gives you everything tier 1 gives you as far as early access, all the behind the scenes, Patreon only goodies that I post. But I'm going to start, or actually I did start a Discord community. If you're not familiar with Discord, it's kind of like a server where we can get together and type messages to each other, similar to a Facebook, but I think a little more professional. It will be a private Discord community where only Patreon members will have access to, so I can post extra stuff there. So that'll be kind of fun. And also you will get a birthday card sent to you once a year, and then one other random card throughout the year, a handmade card from me. So that just is a little extra for your $5 a month membership. Then the next one is a VIP member. That's $10 a month. You get all of the same access, the early access to videos, the Patreon only content, and the Discord community. But I will send you a handmade card once a month. Now for these memberships, the tier 3, 4, and 5, I have a limited number that I am doing so I don't get overwhelmed. This will be a card that I make on my videos, generally in either an all occasion card or a Christmas card. I will always sign it with a sticky note on the inside, so you're free to reuse it, or you can keep it. It's up to you. So you will get a handmade card from me every month, and sometimes I'll throw a few extra little goodies in there. The monthly card kit is tier 4. It is $15 a month. You will receive all of the benefits of the other tiers, early access to videos, and all the Patreon only content, and the Discord chat server. But you will also be getting a card making kit sent to you each month that I put together myself. It'll be very similar to the cards that I'm making on my videos, so you can craft right along with me. You'll receive everything you need to make at least one card. There'll probably be plenty of scraps left over for another card, but you will get a card base and an envelope with that as well. So you can craft right along with me. That one's going to be exciting. And then my favorite tier, which is tier 5, it's Happy Mail. That one is $20 a month, and you will receive the benefits of the other levels as far as the early access to videos, and I feel like a broken record, and the Discord server and the behind the scenes and Patreon only content. But you will receive an awesome package of crafty Happy Mail put together by me. I will send it to you every month. It'll be lots of goodies, stickers and papers and ribbons and whatever I'm feeling good to put together that month. It'll be well worth your $20. I think you'll enjoy it. Well, those are my 5 levels of Patreon. I hope you go check it out, and I hope you really enjoy my Patreon. I'm getting ready to go post some early videos and my card sketch that's coming up on YouTube next week, but that will be on Patreon early. And thanks again for watching this short video. I really hope to see you on Patreon, but if not, you won't miss anything on YouTube. You will still get the same quality of videos, hopefully better, and pretty much the same timing of all of the goodies that I'm putting together. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about the Patreon. Like I said, it's optional. I don't want to be pressuring anyone, but I did want to offer it to you so you can have an extension of the Crafteria experience. You guys take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.